Alright, here, so I'm going to show you how to create professional church flyer using just ChatGPT. We're going to use ChatGPT for the design, and we're going to use ChatGPT for the prompting. Alright, so this is the preamble of what we are going to be creating, as you can see. So everything here was created only on ChatGPT. We didn't use any other app. So we're going to proceed. So first of all, what we did was to go over to our ChatGPT. So I already wrote down the prompt that I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and read out the prompt so that you understand. I will leave it in the description below so that you can copy it and try it out on yourself on your maybe your phone, or maybe you are using your laptop or your PC, so you can actually try it out. So this is the prompt that I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste the prompt on my ChatGPT. I actually wrote out the prompt first before I paste it here. So I said, create a banner design for a church program. This should be a very attractive design. The name of the church is Living Grace Ministries, and the theme of the program is Power Night. So, and I said that the theme should be very bold. The date should be May 16, 2026. The venue is GRO8, Benin City, Edo State. So the time is 6 p.m. These are the information that I gave to it. I said use the uploaded image for this design. So what I mean is that I'm going to be giving ChatGPT an image that is going to use to design for me. So you can see how I was able to structure everything. So ChatGPT must understand what you want it to do. If not, you're not going to get the best result from it. So I'm just going to go over to my gallery. I'm going to look for a nice image that I want to use for this design. So once I get the image, I think I'm just going to use this white, this. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and submit it. So after submitting, ChatGPT is going to go ahead and load it. You see it's going to show up very soon on your top left corner. Okay, so it's going to show up, and then it's going to go ahead and load. The image is actually a very high quality image, about 3 MB, so that's why it's taking time to load. Now you can notice what I said on the prompt, like you should create a logo for the design. Okay, so ChatGPT is going to create a logo by itself. We are going to see what will happen when this thing has been created, when the banner has been created. So it's currently loading. So in the next few seconds it's going to be ready. As you can see, our design is ready. All right, so I just going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and download it so that we can preview what we designed. Okay, so we're going to preview what we designed and see if we actually tally with what we asked ChatGPT to design for us. Okay, so that's why I said that everything you are giving to ChatGPT must understand what you want it to do in order for it to be able to deliver the design for you perfectly. All right, so as you can see, this is what we have. So I'm going to go ahead and check each and every bit of it. All right, first of all, we can see it's a Living Grace Ministry. That was the name. Sorry, that was the name we asked it to use. As you can see, May 16th, GRA Benin City, time is 6 p.m. You can see the information that was given, experience the power. Well, that was not part of it. Experience the power was just what ChatGPT added. And you can see we asked ChatGPT to create a logo for us. So we didn't give ChatGPT a preamble of what to create. We just create a logo for it. So automatically, it was able to create a church logo for this design. Okay, as you can see, so it's that easy. So if you have watched the video to this point, I want you to make sure you hit the subscribe button.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.